In this video, I'm going to go ahead and quickly go through the answers to the practice exam. If along the way you need to correct or change one of your answers, just hit pause in the video so that you can make any necessary changes. Because as I said, I want this video to be short and I'm going to go through it quickly. Question number 1 says Jay's ice cream stand is located across the street from Country Fair, near McCain Elementary School. This description of where Jay's is located is an example of relative location. Question 2. Goods that are brought into a country to be sold from another country are known as imports. Question 3. When geographers use latitude and longitude to describe where a place is located, they are using absolute location. Question 4. Areas with common languages, landforms, climate, religion, customs, history, culture, or industries, like the Rust Belt, are all examples of this theme of geography. That would be region. Question 5. Sharing a video of yourself on YouTube in which you demonstrate how to defeat a difficult level of your favorite video game is an example of this theme of geography. That would be sharing goods and ideas with people all over the world, and that would be movement. Question 6 says, when geographers describe the theme of place, they describe both the human or man-made characteristics as well as the physical or naturally occurring characteristics. Question 7. Goods that are sent out of the country to be sold in a foreign market are known as exports. Question 8. People who leave one country because of war, lack of resources, or other problems are called refugees. Question 9. Putting snow tires on your car in the winter, or the wave breakers as seen here in this photo at Presque Beaches, are both examples of this theme of geography, and that would be human-environment interaction. Question 10. Geographers who study people, their ways of life, their customs, languages, and religion are called social scientists. Question 11. The research triangle in North Carolina that connects the major research universities in Chapel Hill, Raleigh, and Durham is known as an example of this theme of geography, and that would be religion. That would be region. The United States imports much of the clothing, electronics, and other goods sold in stores from foreign countries. Question 13. Describe one physical feature and one human feature of the Jenner McLean campus. Now, you could have many different things, but I chose the maple trees that are out behind the school as our physical feature, and our human characteristic is the baseball field that's down in front of Parker Middle School. Question 14. Geography is the study of the world, its people, and the landscapes that they create. Question 15. 3 tools used by geographers. This is something we should have learned in class today. That would be satellite, GPS, GIS, and maps and globes. There were 4 examples there, but you can choose 3 of them. Question 16. The 3 levels which geographers might study the world from. They would be the local level, the region level, and the global level. And the largest level is that global level. Question 17. Explain the difference between relative location and absolute location. Absolute location uses longitude and latitude coordinates in order to pinpoint a location on Earth. Relative location describes where something is by comparing it to another landmark. Question 18. What are some examples of questions that a geographer who studies issues at the local level would ask the people that are living in a community? They might ask questions like, what type of home do you live in? What type of foods do you like to eat? What type of job do you have? What religion do you practice? Do you drive a car? Any of these questions would be questions that would be asked at the local level. And finally, question number 19 dealt with the map, and we had to identify the different parts of the map. Number 1 on the map is the compass rose. Number 2 is the scale of the map. Number 3 is the legend of the map. And finally, number 4 is a locator map, which shows which part of the world we're talking about. And there are all of the correct answers for our practice exam.